Welcome to Chachachutv TV.
Where is the bus? Where can it be? Waiting here, friends, 1, 2, 3. Looking around the colorful street, listening for the beep, beep, beep. Oh look, oh wow, what a surprise. The yellow bus arrives before our eyes. Jump up high and clap our hands. Adventure time with our friends. Beep, 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 the bus is here. Come my friends, the ride is near. Step inside and take a seat. Bus ride fun can't be beat. Wave hello and laugh along. Sing together happy song. Rolling slowly down the street. Sunshine warm and breeze so sweet. Round and round the wheels go fast. Through the town and fields we pass. Laugh and sing along the way. Happy learning every day. Look outside, a monkey swings, jumping high on jungle strings. Elephant waves trunk so long. Birds are singing morning song. The little bus keeps rolling by. Clouds are floating in the sky. Friends together clap and cheer. Bus adventure full of cheer. Round and round the wheels go fast. Through the town and fields we pass. Laugh and sing along the way. Happy learning every day. Bumpy road goes up and down. Kids all giggle with a sound. Splash, 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 the puddles play. Water dancing on the way. Ice cream truck and balloons so bright. Colors shining in the light. Puppy running side by side. Happy friends enjoy the ride. Look ahead, the school is near. Friends all shout with joyful cheer. Bus stops slowly at the gate. Learning time, we cannot wait. Wave goodbye and laugh and play. We had fun along the way. School bus ride was full of cheer. See you again tomorrow, dear.
Please like, share, and subscribe.